Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let me ask you something. You open your Feedly feed and there it is. Yet another article about a topic you couldn't care less about. Maybe it's a specific company, a technology that doesn't apply to you, or a keyword that keeps showing up in feeds that are otherwise valuable. So you could just scroll past it. You could ignore it, but it keeps coming back, day after day, cluttering up your feed and making it harder to find the content you actually want to read. But if you could just make it disappear. So that's exactly what mute filters do. According to Feedly's documentation, mute filters are rules that tell the AI to remove articles that are not relevant to your interests from your own feed. Unlike priority topics which highlight content, mute filters hide content. They are your way of saying, Leo, I never want to see articles about this topic again. How to access them? So you have to go open your app, log into Feedly or the Feedly.com, look for the Leo or AI skills. You won't be able to get it unless you have this Pro Plus version. Then you can click select mute or mute filters, click create mute filters or add rule. Then you can easily enter your keyword. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.